Two sayings that we Mexicans say all the time. Here, only my pork rings thunder. It means that I am the best at something. The clown already loaded you. And it means that definitely it will be very bad for you.
Hello everyone. I will be talking about some Hindi idioms. तुम्हारे मुंह में घी शक्कर और we say तुम्हारे मुंह में दही शक्कर. The meaning of the both is same. It is one of the popular idioms in India. Basically, it means may your word come true. We use this idiom when someone makes some prediction and we wishes it to happen. We say तुम्हारे मुंह में घी शक्कर.
Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you about the South Indian street foods. Indian street food has much less to do with quality than it has to do with the soul, nostalgia, and the bags of flavor these vendors manage to work into their food. India and street food goes hand in hand. No matter which corner of the country you're in, if you walk down the street, your senses will be assailed with the aroma of food. When you think of India, when you think of South India, you think of dosa or idli, but this region has much more to offer. For example, appam. It is another popular Indian bowl-shaped pancake made from a batter of rice flour and coconut milk. Typically consumed for breakfast or dinner, appam is most popular in Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka and Kerala, where it is culturally linked to the Syrian Christians called the Nazranis, who bake appam on a stone. It is traditionally served with spicy condiments such as coconut milk curry. Uttappa. Uttappa is a South Indian dish consisting of a batter that is fried and topped with chopped vegetables such as onions, tomatoes, carrots, chilies and corn. Traditionally, Uttappa is accompanied by sambar on the side, which is a rich lentil curry with the addition of onions, coconuts and eggplant. Then we have the Parippu Vade, also known as dal vada. This dish is a sort of a dal fritter, if you can imagine that. It is made by first grinding the pulses and then adding in seasoning along with onion, coriander for the traditional South Indian flavor combination that bursts the second you get a hint of that fried curry leaves. They are rolled into tiny balls and fried up until they are dark and crispy on the outside. That's when you know they are ready to bite into. Then we have the Chigujje Podi. This is one of the specially popular with the locals. Jigujji pode is made by coating thin silvers of breadfruit with spicy gram flour paste and some salt and chili before deep frying.
Hello everyone, I am Riddhi Rane and let me tell you about the street foods which we have in India. So first one up is Pani Puri. Now this dish has multiple names and every Indian just loves it. Some people call it as Pani Puris or Golgappas, while in some states it is termed as Puchkas or Gupchup or even Pani ke Patashe. So the joy of munching on these little puris which are made of suji and filled with tangy water, mashed potatoes and chickpea with a melange of spices is above all. Next we have Dabeli. It is known to have originated in the Kutch region of Gujarat. It is prepared by stuffing spiced potato mixture in the pav and grilling it over on a tawa. So a special dabeli masala goes into it to add the flavor, and for the crunchiness we have shave and pomegranate seeds sprinkled over it. Next we have mirchi ke pakode. So this is a popular snack from Rajasthan which is also known as Jodhpuri mirchi vada. It gives you the joy of binging on big-sized green chilies which are slit open and stuffed with spicy potato filling. What adds to the taste is the crispy deep-fried coating which is achieved by dipping the mirchis in the gram flour batter. Now from the streets of Kolkata we have jhalmuri. It is prepared using puffed rice and masalas. What makes this different from the other dishes is its pungent flavor, which is due to the presence of raw mustard oil in it. From Bihar we have litti chokha. Litti is a ball which is made from whole wheat flour and it is stuffed with chickpea flour and an extensive range of herbs and spices. It is served along with chokha, which is a mixture of boiled vegetables, onions and spices. Together they make a combination which foodies adore. Next we have chena poda. It looks like a traditional cake but is nothing like one. It is made using cottage cheese, sugar and clarified butter which we call ghee. It is native to the eastern part of Odisha but people throughout the state enjoy it.
Hey guys, North India has like so much variety of street food. I mean, in Rajasthan there's dal bati churma, kathi roll, pyas kachori, jalebi, and in Himachal Pradesh we have like tudkiya bhat, aktori, bhe, and khatte chane. Kashmir has mutton rogan josh, Kashmiri saag, Kashmiri rajma, uh, and Ladakh has tigmo, churpe, butter tea, and how can I forget? Momos. And finally, Punjab, I mean, sarson da saag, shami kebab, makki di roti, and my favorite, lassi. Now I'm hungry. By the way, which is your favorite street food all over India? Comment down below.
Hi, this is Raiden, and here are some typical dishes you can find in Mexico. In the south of Mexico, in a state called Oaxaca, there is like a giant tortilla. It is called tlayuda. It's a giant tortilla and it's crispy. It's a hard tortilla. It's like this size, and they cover it with beans, with liquid beans, some cheese, local cheese from Oaxaca, and a lot of cilantro, onions, and you can cover it also with meat, but the classic is to eat them with only the beans. Here are called frijoles. The beans, the cheese, and the cilantro. Very good. Everything you can eat here, you pour some sauce in it. Very spicy chili sauce. Another very popular dish here in the center of Mexico, it is called tamales. It's like, I don't know how to describe them. They're like this size portions of corn dog, filled with meat and sauce. They are packed in corn leaves and they're steamed, so it's very tasty. The dog, it's corn dog, and they're filled with very tasty meat, salty pork with green chili sauce. It can be chicken. They can be also sweet with strawberry flavor or raisin flavor. Very good. We have tacos. This is the most popular street dish we can find in Mexico. They are very known in the whole world. It's basically a tortilla made of corn flour, and it's filled with anything you can imagine. But here in Toluca, that's where I'm living, we can eat tacos al pastor. That it's tacos filled with meat, pork meat, that is marinated with achiote, orange, and pineapple. This is very well known in the central portion of Mexico. They're very tasty, and the meat is prepared like kebab, in like a pyramid. Then the cooker is cutting the meat in this pyramid, and yeah, we fill the tacos with it, and it's very tasty. We can accompany it with onions, with cilantro, and very, very spicy chili sauces.
Now we are in the best place to enjoy quesadillas. This is the market. And we have a friend today. So now we are going to eat a delicious quesadilla This is made with tortilla, cheese, and any other ingredients. For example, chicken, mushrooms, potatoes, and you can add lettuce, cheese, and of course, a delicious salsa. So let's enjoy it. Yum! Hi everybody, I'm Muffer and today we are in Valle de Bravo. So let's going to eat some typical Mexican food. So now we are in the Valle de Bravo market. So my dad is going to eat a delicious taco de barbacoa. So you can add some lime, onion, and of course sauce. So let's going to enjoy this delicious taco.
Hello friends from Club Rotarac of La India. I am David. I am from Club Rotarac of Toluca here in Mexico. Today I want to talk to you about the burrito. The burrito is a typical street food here in the northern part of Mexico. We can find it almost everywhere in street markets, in the corners, everywhere. The burrito is a combination between tortilla, meat and sauce, also beans. It is also everything combined inside the tortilla. The burrito is very cheap and very delicious. That's why a lot of people enjoy the burrito every day. And also it's very cheap. You can buy it by less than $1 each burrito, and it is very delicious, and you can be very satisfied by this street food. So thank you very much for your attention.